been so long, and today I want to try a new kind of format and a new kind of videos. So let's do a crash test of a strawberry cake. Let's do a crash test of a strawberry tart, but a special one. Stay until the end to see the surprise. Actually, I really like the texture while doing it because of the cold and softness of the butter with the softness of flour. It's a different kind of softness, and it's kind of a mix of mou and doux, so it's very interesting. Elle a l'air trop liquide ma pâte. I thought it was too sticky and not enough flour in the mix, but actually it's good. Just need to knead the mix several times and it will be fine. As you can see, I messed it up. My tarts are a little bit too thick. It will be very complicated to put the cream inside. So let's try something to rearrange it. Actually, this is super annoying to scratch. It's so time consuming, but actually it works. So I'm gonna continue with this.